What is up, Wanderers? It's time for another one take bag review, and this time we've got something really cool for you. It is a special edition of the Alpaka Bravo Max Sling. So it's coming up right after this. All right, Wanderers, it's time to review the Bravo Max Sling. If you have a chance, you can go back and check out the other review I did, which is of the version 1.0 Alpaka Bravo Max Sling. This is version 2. It is updated, it is upgraded, and it is in this unique Olive Drab X-Pac colorway. You know how we do it here. What we do is a one-take bag review. We do a full walkthrough of the bag, talk about all the pockets, talk about the exterior, the interior, and then I give you 2 things that I love about the bag, 2 things not so much, and then an overall review. Is this a bag that you should buy? All right, without further ado, let's dive right into the walkthrough. We're starting with the exterior as always. This is an X-Pac material on top with YKK weather guard zippers. The material looks super durable. It feels great, and it addresses the one chief complaint I had about the last version of this bag, which is it was a hair magnet. Ew. It's never a good thing with bags, especially if you have dogs, and I have 2 Australian Shepherds. So, love the new colorway, love the X-Pac fabric. On the bottom, it's a rubberized fabric. Feels like a rubberized nylon. It's really nice. You still have this weird little USB exterior charge thing. Never saw the use in them. Don't know why Alpaka insists on putting that ugly honker on the side of every single bag, but whatever. All right, on the back, you have a grab handle. You also have a really well padded strap that is attached to the bag via magnetic, let me do it like this. You've got a fidlock, magnetic fidlock to quick release the harness, and then you have attachment points on either side that you can quickly remove if you'd like this handle. Let's start, and you can also see the exterior is a really tough, durable nylon. Not the same rubberized as the bottom, but still very nice, and it feels good up against your back. All right, you've got a little bit of branding right here, the Alpaka logo on a little splash of black leather, and then you have pocket number 1. Boom! Blaze orange interior. I love the high contrast interior. You know that's my jam. I love yellow, I love blue, I love orange, and this is bright orange. Okay, what do you have in here? You have, and it's a little tough to see, but we're gonna do our best. You have 2 front slide pockets, 2 back slide pockets, and then a stretchy mesh fabric pocket, and a center drop pocket, and a fidlock based key ring that you can just pull off and snap back on, pull off and snap back on. That's about the best possible scenario for a key ring. And we're gonna get to kind of my thoughts on this pocket in a little bit, but it does not go any further down than that. You cannot flop the whole thing open. It is sewn on the side to keep things from falling out. So it's got a ton of organization. It does not have a ton of dimension. If you look at the bag, it does not puff out. You're not robbing from the main compartment, but this is really flat, really tight. Main compartment time. Boom. All right, let's look at this thing. Let me zip it all the way open. It doesn't fully clamshell, okay? If you're looking at this, you've got a little bit of room where it could open further. They decided not to. You've got a little branding on the inside, Alpaka limited edition. And then on the inside of this bag, you've got enough room for a 13-inch laptop in the back. This is a gray felt-lined padded section for the tech pocket, and it's really nice. No worries about your gadget's safety. Then you have 3 other sections. 2 pockets attached to the front of the bag, and then a middle drop section. So in here, I've got my cords, my power brick, Pro tip, downsize from your big laptop brick to the Anker Nano 100 watt. Great power brick. Super small, minimalist carry. You've got the cord for this exterior charger, and then I've got in here extra camera equipment and a full gimbal and a tripod. All right, so you can see a lot of space in there. It's called the Max for a reason. In the back, man, even more storage. You have, it's tough to see, but you have an admin panel on the back. This whole pocket is felt. Okay, got flashlights, I've got pins, got pocket knives, wallets, and an entire iPad Pro in a Magic Keyboard. Fits back here too. Tons of space. We're not done. There's a secret pocket on the back. Blaze orange. It's, again, really thin. This is more of a documents pocket, maybe your passport. You could put a Kindle back in this pocket easily. You've also got a little D-ring clip on the bottom of the bag to attach things. Not like jackets and stuff like that, but you could clip something small to this D-ring. All right, so this is the Bravo Max Sling in the limited edition Olive Drab colorway. What are two things that I really like about this bag? So first off, the quality of the materials is insane. This thing is built to last. I love the felt for the tech pockets. I love the blaze orange. I love the ripstop inner lining. The zippers with the weather guard are great. The X-Pac addresses the biggest problem with this bag on version 1.0, which was the wool material was a magnet for hair. Love the rubberized, love the padded strap that Alpaka does. It's the best strap for any sling in the business, if you ask me. So that's the first thing I love is the materials. The second thing I love is the organization of the main pocket. This is incredibly useful. It is laptop sized. You can get all your power essentials in here. You could get AirPod Max in here if you wanted to. There's a lot of space. Okay, two things that I don't like as much. I hate to say it. This front pocket. There's actually quite a bit of organization in here, which I love. I've got glasses, you can see. I've got dongles, SIM cards or SD cards, some aspirin, another lightning cable, AirPods, Neosporin. So you can get some good amount of stuff in there. They missed a trick though. I think they should have added a little bit of extra dimension. Just a little bit of extra dimension to that pocket would have been really nice. And I would have liked the zipper to go down about another 2 inches so that you can flap the pocket open fully to access the stuff that's inside of it. A full clamshell would have been nice on both these pockets actually. Thing number 2 that I don't love, I really don't love the removable strap. I'd rather the strap feel like it's fully attached all the time. I get it. It's nice to remove, but it feels more solid to me when the bag has the strap sewn into the bag rather than popping off like this. So it works. It's unnecessary. I can't think of a use case where I want to remove the strap from my sling bag to carry it as a briefcase. I don't know. So, should you buy this bag? Well, it's a little bit more expensive in this colorway, but if you're thinking about a laptop sling from Alpaka, this is the one you want, and I suggest getting it in the X-Pac material. So whether you get it in the orange, whether you get it in the black, whether you get it in coyote brown if they ever put that out, or multicam black if they ever put that back out, I think you'll love this bag. I love carrying it. I jam it full and it never gets overloaded. So should you buy the bag? I think you should buy the bag if you want to carry a laptop in an Alpaka sling. And if you haven't tried an Alpaka sling, they're not exorbitantly expensive. I mean, $150 for a premium top of the line sling bag for your gear, I think it's worth it. I like it better than the nomadic slings. I like it on par with the air slings. So I think you'd really like it. Check it out if you haven't already. And if you liked this video, please leave a like. Subscribe as well. We do bag reviews all the time, and we'll keep them coming. So thank you so much. See you next time, Wanderers. Thanks.